Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best quiet blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Vitamix Ascent X4 blender. The best quiet blender that we've tested is the Vitamix Ascent X4. This high-end model from the manufacturer is very quiet for a full-size blender, especially considering its power and performance. It has a 48-ounce jar with a removable centerpiece, so you can add ingredients and use the tamper mid-blend. You can choose from 6 automatic blending programs or a wide range of speed settings for manual use. There's also a +1 5 seconds option for added convenience. If you're looking for an even quieter Vitamix blender and price isn't a concern, consider the Vitamix Ascent X5. It's extremely quiet for a full-sized blender we've tested from the manufacturer and comes with a few additional blending programs, including nut butter, non-dairy milk, and spice grinding. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender. This blender doesn't quite match the Vitamix Ascent X4's blending performance, but it makes even less noise thanks to its noise dome, a plastic cover that fits over the jar to muffle the sound of the motor. Using the noise dome, it's one of the quietest blenders we've tested. It's only slightly louder than some battery-powered blenders with much weaker motors. It has a great build quality and a speed dial that lets you fine-tune the blending speed. It makes a smooth blend with fibrous ingredients like kale and broccoli, so it's a particularly good choice if you're looking for the best quiet blender for smoothies. However, to get the best results when working with tough blends like nuts and ice cubes, you need to remove the noise dome and use the tamper, which makes the blender noticeably louder. Also, the pitcher has a 32-ounce blending capacity, which is small for a full-size blender and pretty limiting if you need to serve a crowd. At number 3, we have the Ninja BN751 Professional Plus Duo Blender. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender Duo with Auto IQ is a great budget-friendly option. While it's quieter than the Vitamix Ascent X4, it doesn't match the versatile blending performance of the previous picks. Still, it performs well for a variety of recipes. It has a large capacity 72-ounce main pitcher and does an even better job of ice crushing than the Vitamix, so it's a great option for blending up a round of frozen drinks. A 24-ounce personal jar and a matching to-go lid are also included for making single-serve drinks like smoothies. This blender doesn't make a completely smooth blend with fibrous fruits and vegetables using the main pitcher, so it's less ideal than the previous picks for bigger batches of smoothies and soups. You must also remove the lid to stir mixtures like nut butter for the best results. However, using the personal jar, the blender can make a superb smoothie with additions like kale and blueberries. At number 2, we have the Black+Decker Quiet Blender. If you want to spend as little as possible on a quiet blender, consider the Black+Decker Quiet Blender with Cyclone Glass Jar. It's only slightly louder than the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Blender and offers a good overall performance for around $50. It comes with a 24-ounce plastic personal jar that you can use to make silky smoothies with fibrous ingredients like kale and blueberries, and its 48-ounce glass main jar handles them just as effectively. It's also very easy to clean since it has removable blades. This blender isn't as well built as our pricier picks. It comes with a sturdy glass jar, but other parts of the blender feel flimsy, like the lid and motor base gears. Like the previous pick, it can make smooth, spreadable nut butter, but it's not the easiest process since you have to stop and stir. Unfortunately, it's not very good for crushing ice. It can only handle about 6 ice cubes at a time, and still leaves behind some unprocessed chunks. And finally, at number 1, we have the BeastGo Cordless Premium Portable Blender. If you like to blend your smoothies at the gym or office and are looking for the quietest portable pick, consider the BeastGo Cordless. It's impressive for a portable device, but it can't match any of the full-sized blenders on our list in terms of overall performance or versatility. That said, it makes great single-serving smoothies, excelling at blending fibrous ingredients like kale into very smooth drinks. It's extremely quiet, matching the NutriBullet Chio as one of the quietest portable options we've tested, so you're less likely to disturb people around you when blending. However, if you frequently add ice to your smoothies, you'll need to put in more effort. While it can crush ice, the process requires constant shaking with considerable force, which gets tiring since it's heavier than most portable blenders. Cleanup is also challenging due to the small blending vessel, making it difficult to reach into crevices. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.